Welcome to another very helpful tutorial in the series of how to make money with Photoshop. Today, we are going to do our background removal job, with the help of pen tool. Here we go. This video is the part of a playlist. If you first time here, find link above, or below in the description. There are numbers of selection tools in Photoshop, but the pen tool is the only tool that gives you very clean and sharp selection, without blur lines, or soft edges, because the pen tool uses vector technology. So if you want to cut any object with clean sharp edges, then you must have some knowledge about pen tool. So let's start with it. Here is my image, and I want to cut out this, with the help of pen tool. So first go and select the pen tool in toolbar. There are different types of pen tool, we can see, but right now I'm using this first pen tool. When you start drawing path with pen tool, I suggest you to start it from any corner point of the object. And take very few control points. Now click and drag it, you can see a moving handle of control point, it bends the path as you can see. We can set our path properly with the help of this handle. Now click and drag for the next control point and bend its handle this way to set it properly. You can see here, the path gets out of line, because when drawing the previous control point, we have bent its handle. So to overcome this problem, just hold Alt key and click on the last control point, before you create a new one. It will remove the handle, and allow you to draw the path properly. Continue drawing the path like this, and complete around the object. Once completed, go to Path panel. This is the Path panel. In this you can see the path you have drawn. Just double click on it and save it. Here is the path, which I have created before. Click on it, and see at the bottom of the path panel, there is an icon called Load Path as Selection. By clicking on this icon, you can convert the path into selection. Now go to the Layer panel, and press Ctrl+J to create a new layer of selected portion. Here you can see, the edges of the object are still very sharp. They have not been blurred. So with the help of pen tool, you can get very clean, sharp, and accurate extraction, more than any other extraction technique in Photoshop, because it follows vector technology. Here is another example. Let's select our object with the help of pen tool. Press P on the keyboard to select the pen tool. Let's start making path around the object quickly. Take your time to select object. I am forwarding this. Here is our final path drawn. Click on Path panel, then double click on Path, and save it. Now press Ctrl on your keyboard, and click on Path, to load path as a selection. Go to Layer panel, add Layer Vector Mask. This will hide all the pixel except selected one. Look how clean the edges are, as this is vector mask using the vector technology, no blurry or soft edges. Clean, crisp, and sharp edges around the object. One of the great things about the pen tool is that, it's not something that's exclusive to Photoshop. Virtually every popular photo editing, graphics and page layout program, uses the pen tool in one form or another, so once you've learned how to use it in Photoshop, you'll already have a good understanding of how to use it in lots of other programs as well. Thanks for this video. If you not subscribed before, subscribe it, so my friend, you never miss any updates.